Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another dupes video because it is April and all month long we do dupes because a long time ago I thought April 1st, April dupes, how cute. I purchase all of the makeup in these videos with my own money, so none of these videos are sponsored. I know a lot of people have a lot of feelings about dupes. I do believe though that dupes give the buyer a lot more options. The market's a little bit more varied in terms of ingredients, packaging, fragrance, allergies, those types of things. Price is a huge reason that dupes exist. I love a good dupe though, I will have to say. So I wish I could do dupes all year round. However, my pocketbook is very restrictive, and so do not be surprised if you may see a sample size, a travel size, a variety box, because we try to make a dollar and a penny go really far, trying to stretch my bank account as far as it can go these days. Anyways, in today's video, we are facing off peptide lip liners. We are putting the Rhode Peptide Lip Shape against the Ulta Beauty Sculpting Peptide Lip Liner. You can now get both of these at Ulta, I believe, because Rhode... Is Rhode at Ulta? Rhode's definitely in Sephora. I don't know if Rhode's in Ulta though. That's a good question. I know you can get Rhode at Sephora, so let's dive into these products. First, we will go over the Rhode. You get this Peptide Lip Shape pencil for $24. It comes in 11 shades. This is the outside packaging of the box. This is the actual product itself. Lip shape, silicone, smudger, applicator. I purchased the shade Balance. It comes in 11 different shades and you are getting 0.75 grams or 0.026 ounces in this product. The Rhode website boasts that it enhances your lips effortlessly. Peptide Lip Shape combines a soft focus color and high performance skincare to give your lips dimension, creamier and more seamless than a lip liner. It glides on to create a contoured effect and delivers efficacious, is that a word? Efficacious ingredients that visibly enhance volume. Benefits: creamy color glides on for a contoured effect, clinically proven to enhance appearance of lip fullness, and then helps lips feel smoother and more hydrated over time. I know a lot of people had a lot of feelings when this first came out because I think it follows more like the blurred lip trend rather than the like harsh liner trend, but yeah, I'm kind of excited to try it. I've never used it before. Moving on to the Ulta Beauty. This is the Ulta Beauty Sculpting Peptide Lip Liner with brush attachment. You are getting this for $13, which would be a $11 savings. However, you are only getting 0.2 grams or 0.007 ounces, so you are getting significantly less in the Ulta lip liner. However, you are saving $11, so... It only comes in 10 shades. I purchased the shade Toasted Cinnamon. This is the outside packaging because it only comes in a sealed like saran wrap, which I kind of like because then there is minimal packaging in my trash cans. This is the packaging. Product on one side. Oh, that is very different. And then brush on the other. That has a much different look to it. Interesting. Okay. What Ulta says about their peptide lip liner is, feel the sculpting power. Ulta Beauty Collection's sculpting peptide lip liner is uniquely designed to achieve multi-dimensional looks by lining, defining, contouring, and filling in lips. Even better, this highly pigmented formula won't feather, tug, or bleed. Now that's a power move. Long-lasting waterproof formula sets quickly for a natural matte finish. Innovative teardrop-shaped tip lets you line, sculpt, and fill your lips the way you want. Comfy brush tip diffuses color to create a sculpted effect. Proudly cruelty-free with clean ingredients. Peptides help lips appear fuller and plumper. So they both boast that they will make your lips feel fuller or make them appear fuller and plumper. They both have peptides. I am unsure if their actual ingredients are similar or like the exact same. And again, I do not know if their shades really correspond with each other. I tried to get shades that I thought matched each other, but apparently I did not. That is okay. We are going to try these side by side. If you are unfamiliar with how I do my dupes videos, I try my best to get shades as close as possible, and then I use them side by side on my face so that we can compare application, texture, feel, wear, all of those things. So I am going to be using the Ulta Peptide Lip Liner on this side, and I will be using the Rhode Peptide Lip Liner on this side. First, we are going to use them as lip liners and try to use their included tools to kind of like diffuse the color on the outside. Then we're going to fill in the whole lip because both of them said that that is how you can use them as lip liners, contours, and or as a full lip color. Okay, so some initial thoughts of them side by side as just like a lip liner is they both apply very, very creamy, and I do love that. I will say Ulta is getting a few more points because their applicator is a little bit more precise because of that teardrop shape. It is a little less like crayon-like, whereas the Rhode is kind of like a more chubby applicator, and it's just really difficult to get it like as a lip liner. I can see this being great for like an all over lip color, but if you're just using it as a lip liner, it's a little difficult to like stay precise right on your lip line. That's where Ulta's getting the point. Ulta's also getting the point for the built-in smudge tip. I love the brush so much more than I like the silicone applicator. I do think that the silicone smudger thing worked just fine, but it was a little chunky and I wasn't able to get like, I feel like as precise as I could with the Ulta. Now, I feel like Balance and Toasted Cinnamon are a relatively similar color. The Toasted Cinnamon, slightly more warm than the Balance. Balance is a little bit cooler, but I don't think that overall they're like a bad match for each other. And as they've kind of set, they both feel the exact same. Maybe the Rhode is a little bit on the more like creamy side, whereas the Ulta has set a little bit more matte. However, they both applied very, very nice and pretty much the exact same. So now we're just going to fill in the lips with the color or with the lip liner as a full lip color. Okay, and kind of as suspected, the Rhode beats out the Ulta in terms of being a full lip color. However, they're both drying down to this matte texture. I will say the Rhode is a little bit more of a like velvety matte, whereas the Ulta is a little bit more of like a sticky matte. Like when I purse my lips together, you can see that the side on the Ulta side is like sticking to itself, which is kind of uncomfortable. So I could definitely see how like the Ulta would really only be like lip liner or lip contour, not so much an actual all over lip color. Whereas the Rhode I feel like would be a lot more comfortable as like an all over color. It just seems like a little bit messy to me to use it as a lip liner because again, it doesn't have as precise of like an applicator system. It just is like a little bit too on the chunky side. I don't know if I love this color on me. I don't know what I was thinking when I was buying the Toasted Cinnamon and Balance, but overall I do think that Toasted Cinnamon and Balance are very similar colors. As I said before, I think the Balance is a little more cool toned than the Toasted Cinnamon, but overall like they're the same like tone or like color tone. If you are looking for a different option in terms of like cost savings, you are saving $11 buying the Ulta one, but you are getting a significant less amount of product. However, again, I do believe that Ulta wins out in terms of like the attached brush and the like teardrop applicator versus Rhode's little like chunky round applicator. And this silicone smudger, I don't like that with this formula. I don't get it. So maybe that's just me, who knows. But yeah. So yeah, definitely dupes. I definitely think you can institute these as dupes as each other. The only thing is that they have different components, and the Ulta is an all over lip color, a little bit on the sticky side, which can be like cured with like a little bit of gloss or like, you know, chapstick over it or a matte lipstick over it or anything like that. So I will link these down in the description box below. If you are interested in checking them out, you can do that on your own time. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more dupes. Thanks so much for watching, guys.